All right, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to make this quick video for you because my price of my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program is going to increase in 24 hours on October 17th. At the time of recording this video, it is mid-morning, October 16th, and I'll give it till about noon on October 17th, and I'm going to increase the price to $27. And I will say that most people actually are paying this price. This is the normal price. We've tried different pricing and we've even moved it up to $97, but I'm going to increase it by $10 tomorrow, which is just a really good price point. It's feasible for most and they get a ton of value, but then it's also a really good price point for what you're getting. I want to go over in depth what you get in this program. If you've been watching my videos lately, thank you so much for that. If you can't afford to get into the program or it's just not something that you're interested in, that's totally fine. Continue just watching my videos. I'm plan to continue creating these videos specifically about making money online and affiliate marketing. I've made over $600,000 with affiliate marketing in the last few years. This channel is about me teaching you what I know and what I've done on YouTube, making over $600,000 with just YouTube and free traffic. I've been talking with some other people yesterday. I was hiring someone to do something for me and we kind of got in an exchange and I kind of let them know. They asked about one of my other YouTube channels and I shared that with them and I said, oh yeah, this has made me hundreds of thousands of dollars. And they're used to working on YouTube channels that get millions of views. They were just like, how are you making that kind of money with such low views? That's what I teach in my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program. So I'm going to go into that, but I just wanted to be very clear. Please come and join right now so you can stay in. You can take a year to really learn this stuff the right way. The price is increasing tomorrow. I just can't keep it at the $17. Like I'm completely devaluing myself and the community that I've built that's been here for 2 years by having it at such a low price. This is your last chance. Come and join right now. The price is increasing starting tomorrow. This is a 24-hour notice and I'm telling the honest truth. This is the lowest price that I've ever offered YouTube Affiliate Accelerator at. It's never been at $17. This is it. One final push, and then the price is increasing by $10 tomorrow. I want to go over it. This is the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. I used to call it the Six-Figure Freedom Club. And that was a cool name. We actually polled the community and they helped me vote on that name. But as I learned more about marketing, I wanted to be very specific about what you learn in the community. Now, I've made money a lot of different ways, freelancing on Fiverr and selling on Upwork and doing voiceovers, creating niche websites, Pinterest, Amazon FBA, and using the Amazon Influencer Program, Amazon Affiliate Program as well. I've done a lot of things to make money, email marketing, all kinds of stuff. But this is specifically teaching you how to do YouTube the way that I teach, where you don't have to have millions of views to make money online. You just need to have a laser targeted focus and audience and give value in your videos and you can actually make money. That's why it's the Affiliate Accelerator, because you just find a product that you really, really like and you sign up to it. A great example is like a software. You sign up to the software, you can even get the lowest plan, $10 a month, $15 a month, $20 a month, and you use that software and you make tutorials on YouTube and you go and tell the world about it. People are actually finding and searching for the content that you have. They watch it, they resonates with them and convinces them that, oh yeah, this is the tool that I need. I really like this. This was a great tutorial. And then they click on your link. They know, most people aren't stupid. They know it's an affiliate link and they click on it because you gave such value in your videos. These can be very simple videos. You don't have to be on screen. You just record your screen, tell them about the software. They click on your link, they go purchase, and you make money. It's very simple. And you can just watch a bunch of my videos where I dive deep into, how to do the keyword research, how to find the products, the whole thing about that. And you can get a lot of this information from my free videos. But no one really is teaching YouTube quite like I am. Even that story I was talking to you about yesterday, where someone was impressed. They were like, I don't understand how you've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with only 2 million total views on your channel. A lot of videos that people are doing, they'll get 1 million views and they might make $10,000 or something like that, right? I've been able to take 2 million views on one channel and make hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's because we're very laser targeted and we're all about affiliate marketing and making money from the link that we put in our description. We're not making a bunch of money from the YouTube Partner Program, which pays you based on how many views you get, right? So there's two completely different kind of YouTube models, and most people are not teaching this specific model. I'm not telling you that you even have to be on camera. I'm not telling you to go out there and build faceless YouTube channels and get millions of views. And that's how you're going to make your money. Now, that is a strategy, and that's a strategy that works. But most people are doing that because there's less barrier to entry, because the faceless YouTube videos anybody can make. But when you're recording your screen, putting a voice to a microphone, and actually going out and testing software, testing out products, telling the world about it, that takes effort. That takes a personalized effort. That's what I teach in the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. We changed the name because it tells exactly what we do. We make money on YouTube via being an affiliate marketer. You can make money once you get monetized. This is the YouTube Partner Program. My channel's made about $35,000 by now. We've had over 2 million views, so I can actually update this screenshot. But you can see, 2 million views, $32,000 right there. Very steady income that comes in week after week, month after month, year after year. I also teach inside the community how to make money with Warrior Plus and JVZoo. If you want to go with the make money online route, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars doing that as well. And so, there's courses inside. If we go into the classroom, you can see that we have the YT Affiliate Blueprint. And it will show you how to pick your niche, validate your niche, do keyword research, formalize your content plan, and get your first 60 videos out. One of the most important, this is really, really good. We got some motivational videos in here and stuff. With the Content Creation Blueprint, it teaches you how to get your first 60 videos out quickly using AI and so forth. And because of what this does is you're able to go out there and create content very quickly. So then when you start mapping it out and you start getting 30 to 60 videos out there on your channel, you can actually start seeing, oh, this one got 500 views. And then these ones are got only 80 views, 30 views, 20 views. Oh, this one popped off. I got 700 views. Make another video on that, right? If you don't have data to go off of, you don't know what people are liking on your channel, right? And so we go all into that, and softwares that I use, how to create your YouTube channel correctly, how to optimize for SEO and so forth. So that is going to, this course right here, it's a couple hour watch. That's what you want to do right when you join. And then if you want to do launch jacking, which is promoting Warrior Plus products, I would probably consider myself an expert at doing that because I am a top 1% Warrior Plus affiliate. And so you can see over here, launch jacking course, an hour-long video of how I create my bonuses, how I really get into the mindset of how I'm going to promote a product, how I'm going to email my list, create that review video, all those things. We have people in the community that just joined within the last month. Gary in September made $700 on Warrior Plus. Then we can go over to our quick wins section. You can see Gary started promoting JVZoo products and he made $19 there. And then he comes back and he updates us and he's like, actually, no, it's more like $80. So he is making money with JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and so forth, hundreds of dollars per month. We have a lot of people making affiliate commissions and so forth inside of the community, right? So we'll go back to the classroom. The Zoom calls, you come over here to the community and you can see I need to change this title out of here. We used to be called the Six Figure Freedom Club, but the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator, I got a new logo made and everything. It's more aligned and tells you exactly what we do in this community is creating a YouTube channel, create simple screen recording videos, and make money. It's a simple process and workflow, but it's not easy. Easy is pushing a button and then you have money in your account. You have to grind. You have to create content. You have to become a content creator, not a content consumer. You've got to stop buying all the shiny objects. Listen to somebody, and I would consider myself your mentor if you join. Listen to somebody that's actually been there, done that. I'm nobody special. I just know how to work hard and work for what I want. I teach you everything that I know inside of the community. Finally, somebody that it leads off with no BS, right? I'm not going to bull crap you. I'm going to tell you like it is. I'm going to be honest with you if that's a good niche. I'll be honest with you if I think you're heading in the wrong direction. I'm going to be honest with you and realistic about if you come in and you're like, I want to make $12,000 my first month, I'm going to probably come back and say, well, have you made $500 in a month yet? Let's set realistic goals and then stair step your way up, create realistic goals, because you're going to be living in a constant world of letdown when you set your sights on something way too big, right? Let's make that first $100. Let's make that first $1,000 in a month, then move to $2,000, then move to $5,000, then stair step your way up. That's generally how it works for most people, right? So this is the community. We have a lot of other stuff. I have a case study where I put my money where my mouth is. I literally create a channel with 0 subscribers and take it over to 1,000 subscribers, doing exactly a strategy that I teach you all about in that case study course. If you want to create your own courses and know how, I can create a course in 2 days if I really want to. This is a 4-hour course that teaches you all about how to become a course creator, and you can sell your own course. That works really well in some niches that may not have a lot of affiliate programs programs and stuff, but you're teaching people and you're in a really good niche, that's when I recommend creating your own course and selling that course. You're getting so much value in this community. I joined a community yesterday for fun. It was $49, and I added up all the content they are giving out for $49 a month. It was 33 minutes of content, and I paid $49 for that. You are getting probably 100 to 125 hours of content. Now, I know that sounds like information overload. You don't have to watch 125 hours. You can watch the courses that you're interested in. You can also come over here to the live calls, which we just added the call from yesterday, YouTube strategy and discipline training, right? I'm talking to you about that. But if I came over here, this is a secret that I need to teach my people in the community. I'm going to actually make a video. I always add a really good description to most of these. You can come up here, and if you're like, I want to learn how to do YouTube keyword research, you can go keyword research, and you could type this in while you're in Classroom over here, and you could actually push enter, and you'll see all of the courses with lessons and modules about keyword research. You'll also find all of the live Zoom calls that talk about keyword research, and it will steer you along the way. If I come over here and I say Warrior Plus, if I just type in Warrior, you're going to see Warrior Plus launch success reviews right over here. It was a live Zoom call. You're going to get anything where I've mentioned and talked about Warrior Plus. You can go and become an expert on Warrior Plus affiliate marketing, because I have sold $100,000 as an affiliate on Warrior Plus. And you're going to get all that training right over here. This is my pride and joy. I've put a lot of effort into this. This is my school community, and you're getting a ton. Someone reached out to me on email yesterday, and they were asking me about a course that I created. Let me go to it real quick and show you what I'm talking about. Let me log into my Thrivecart. I'm going to go to my account and my course, Affiliate Profits Academy. I want to get the URL. Okay, so we're looking at Affiliate Profits Academy. It's currently hosted on Thrivecart, and I believe it's selling for $497. And you can go and look over here, very nicely organized. This was like my flagship product. Over 10 hours of video content. Let's look at this, over 10 hours of over-the-shoulder training. I created this back in 2022. I made like 15 grand on this. It needs updated. It's more like over $600,000. Now, I have all the proof in my accounting software to prove all the income claims. You're learning from somebody that's not making stuff up. That's another really annoying thing on YouTube. You're going to get a lot of people that aren't actually making money doing what they're trying to teach you how to do. I haven't made very much money from my school community. It's just been a nice little side income, but I've made all my money from actually being an affiliate, and that's what I'm teaching you. When you go to other YouTube channels and these gurus teaching you strategies, they're actually making most of their money because they blew up way more than my YouTube channel, and I'll admit that. But they're making all their money from selling you and being on YouTube than what they're actually teaching you how to do, if that makes sense. But you can see over here, this is it's a $1,000 course. It's currently on sale for $497 right here, and you can see that it's actually on sale. Someone was asking me about this course. They were wanting to get that. They were asking me about, but what about your school community? Which one should I get and stuff? And I just came back to them and I said, well, the Affiliate Profits Academy is great. I created it 3 years ago. It's missing a lot of what I do now using AI to create YouTube titles, find my next video idea and stuff. So it's not updated like school. My school community is updated on a daily basis. This is updated. It's live. We've got people posting in here every single day, asking questions, right? Like this is, brand new. Last comment 20 hours ago, 57 minutes ago, right here. We have people commenting in here 39 minutes ago, Brett right there. So this is live. It's updated training. All this training is updated. You've got your weekly calls coming in as well. For just this price, $27 or even $17 or even $97, you're getting so much value from this community than I've ever given in any other course. I recommended the person to join this for such a low price. You're getting over 100 hours of content between the coursework and all of the call replays. I'll end right there. It was a massive self-promotion video. I just wanted to tell you more, a complete deep dive into this. I'm going to put this video out there, and I'll probably remove this video after 24 hours because later on when people are seeing this, I don't want there to be confusion because the price is going to be up. So if you're seeing this video today, This is your chance. Get grandfathered in at the lowest prices I'll ever be at, and I'll probably won't ever lower this lower than 27 ever again. So come join me, join the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. I'd love for you to be our next member. Come and learn how you can build a real evergreen business with free traffic, evergreen traffic, where when you build this up and take a few days off or a week off, you can still make money because your videos are out there working every single day for you. Thank you so much for joining me and for your time. Link will be below. Hope to see you in the next video.